Hi all, a bit of a follow-up from the running if poorly video that I filmed last time. Finally got around to getting the 48R1 engine out of my little kit car. I've changed from the brown rocker cover as that's going to be a bit of a memento, but this is 100% the same engine. I wasn't going to do anything with it, but curiosity got the better of me, and I've been able to sort of narrow at least two of the issues that I spoke about. The first is that the clutch boss here has cracked. It's a fairly common fault. You can see that bit is missing there, which actually I've been able to recover right there. And then I also whipped the sump off to see what else was going on, and rather as I expected, found a couple of teeth from fourth gear right there. So that's the sum total of the issues I found. Doesn't really explain the misfire, but I haven't investigated that at all. You can see here I've got quite a number of other parts. Most of these, or at least some, are from another 48 engine. So pair of camshafts, spare crankshaft, the throttle bodies off the running car. I've also got UK spec ECU and loom as well, except valve, so on and so forth. So a bit of a job lot really. All of this available via eBay, Facebook Marketplace. I'll be putting those ads up shortly. One really important thing to note, or somewhat important thing to note, so I didn't realise at the time when I bought this, but apparently that is not an original engine number. It's one digit too long, so your guess is as good as mine, honestly. But this engine with this engine number is registered with the DVLA as the engine in my kit car, so I'm happy to show that to any potential buyer as well, just to prove that this is the engine from the car, the running one from the previous video, and also to show that it hasn't posed a problem in terms of DVLA. So yeah, I'm going to sell this for what I hope is a bit of a song, given what these engines seem to be going for at the moment, and hopefully it's of interest. Thanks.